Hello everybody, I'm Meishi Jiejie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we are going to make a special salad. Everyone knows broccoli is full of nutrition. We love broccolis. When we cook them, we usually just use the top part, the flowers. We just throw away all broccoli stems. It's such a waste. The nutrients are the same as in the flowers. Today, we will use broccoli stems to make a special salad. We need 4 to 5 broccoli stems. We also need parsley, green onion, red hot pepper, green hot peppers, garlic, and ginger. We need to peel them. You will be pleasantly surprised how delicious this dish is. You can't believe it's made from broccoli stems. Broccoli is one of the best healthy vegetables in the world. Eating broccoli can decrease the risk of diabetes, cancer, and heart disease, increase energy, and lower weight. The vitamin K they have can improve our bone health. If you are trying to eat healthier, broccoli should be at the very top of your grocery list. Cut them into slices. Cut up all pepper into bite size. We need to take off the seed. You can use the teaspoon instead of a knife. But if you use a knife, you should be careful with your hand. Don't hurt yourself. We cut our red pepper into the size of the green pepper. Use red peppers to make this dish colorful. Cut green onion. Cut our parsley. Finally, shred our ginger. Chop garlic very well. Okay, everything is ready. Let's make it. Add half tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of salt, sugar. Make them very well. It's ready to serve. This dish is bright in color, crispy and refreshing, very delicious. You will like it. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. I will share more delicious food with you. Bye-bye.